guys, it's me, Sasha,
And it's me, Christina.
and together we make
Christasha.
So this is mad lighting. As you can see by the title, we're doing slime peppies. Yeah, so Christina's right now on, but we're gonna do it, so let's get right into the video. The first slime pet peeve is when people play with slime too fast. The second pet peeve is when people play with slime too slow. The third slime pet peeve is when people stretch slime that's not even butter slime. The fourth slime pet peeve when people breathe too hard to not when people breathe too hard to not hear the clicking noise of a slime. The fifth slime pet peeve when people drop their slime while they're doing the swirl. This is the sixth slime pet peeve. When people make a swirl and it follows them. This is the seventh pet peeve. When people make a swirl and they don't pop the bubbles. This is the eighth last pet peeve. When people are playing with their slime and talking. Oh my gosh, this slime is the best.
Yes, the crunch is real, bro.
I know.
Oh my gosh, you make the best swirls ever.
Thanks.
Oh, well, oh my gosh, what should we do on Saturday night?
I don't know. What should we do?
Oh my gosh, we need to start farting more.
Hey guys, so thanks for watching this video in the Christasha channel.
And you better
like and subscribe, or
put the post notifications on and comment down below what's your
worst
slime pet peeve.
So
Yeah.
And if you guys don't follow us or like, we will roast you and find you.
Yeah, so we'll see you in our next video.
Bye!
And we're out!